Metta Meditation helps cultivate feelings of compassion and kindness towards yourself and others, promoting peace and emotional well-being. It is repetitive in nature to help ease the mind and the heart. So in these first few moments, find a comfortable seat or lie down, whichever feels right to you. And then begin to take a few deep breaths in and out, allowing yourself to relax. If it feels comfortable, close your eyes. If not, keep them gently open, staring about 3 feet out in front of you. And let's begin. We always begin with loving kindness towards you. So in your mind's eye, bring an image of yourself in a peaceful, happy state. Let judgment go. Just imagine yourself perhaps smiling, feeling content. And then silently repeat the following phrases, directing them towards yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Good. Now let's extend loving kindness to someone you love. Picture someone you care deeply about, perhaps a close friend, a family member, or partner. And with warmth and compassion, silently repeat the following phrases, directing them towards this person. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Next, we will extend loving kindness to a neutral person. Bring to mind someone you neither like or dislike, perhaps an acquaintance or someone you've encountered in your daily life but do not know well. And repeat the same phrases to this neutral person. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Good. And now we're going to extend loving kindness to someone that you have some difficulty with, some negative feelings towards. And I know that this can be a little interesting, if you will, but it is important for healing, so be gentle with yourself, kind to yourself, and with kindness, repeat the phrases to this person. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Good. Take a deep breath in. Let it all go. And lastly, we will extend loving kindness to all beings, all people, all sentient beings, everywhere. Silently repeat, may all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Take a few moments now, allowing the feelings of loving kindness to fill your heart, your mind, your entire body. And when you are ready, gently bring yourself back to the present moment where you sit in the space that holds you now. You can open your eyes if they were closed and return fully.